Hello everyone, so I have major good news for you in this video. Like, this video is packed with information that you need, and this video is for everybody, right? So regardless of what profession you are, your education, qualification, your work experience, regardless of all of that, this video is for you. So this amazing country in Europe, in the EU, like one of the best countries right now, is currently in need of foreign workers. Like they've thrown their doors open and they're like, come in and come and work, right? And it's really amazing the kind of workers they're looking for in this country. It cuts across every profession, right? They do have a shorted occupation list, no doubt, and you'll be shocked to see the professions that fall under this their shortage occupation list. It is not the usual IT, healthcare, and all of that. So anybody, that's why I say this video is for everybody, whether you're a welder, you're an electrician, you're an IT professional, you're an accountant, whatever you are, right? You're a chef, you can move down to this country. There is a place for you, okay? And so in this video, I want to talk to you about this special thing, right? So the government of this country is actually advertising, for foreign workers to move down to the country, because it's one of those countries, even though it's so amazing, this amazing country in Europe, but it's usually overlooked, right? People are looking at the UK and the rest, and this country is advertising for foreign workers to come in. Like, they are literally running Google ads. I saw this on Google ads, right? So I just had to like research deeper to see what they're about. And I saw that is a very amazing opportunity. They are even paying people to relocate down to the country. Yes, they are paying a relocation cost to foreign workers that want to move down to the country and settle. And they are more interested in people that want to settle, not just people that want to come in, make money and go out. They want people that want to move into the country and settle in the country. And those are the people that they are giving relocation cost, right? So here they are saying, come in, and they will pay you to come in, pay your flight ticket, your accommodation, whatever relocation cost is to you, right? So this is truly amazing. And there's another aspect of this. You don't need a work permit to move to work in this country. You don't need a work permit. So if your occupation is on the shortage occupation list, you don't need a work permit. And no, this is not Ireland, because I've done this kind of pathway for Republic of Ireland. No, this is not it. This is another country. And then another amazing thing about this country is this: you can move down without a job offer. So there are different aspects to this. So in this video, I'm going to break everything down to you. So you really need to watch this video to the end. So I'm going to show you what this country is about, what this program is about, the government has set up. And then I'm going to show you the relocation costs that they are paying to foreign workers that are moving down to settle in this country, how much it is, and how you can receive this relocation cost. Then I'm going to show you the shortage occupation list, right? And then I'm going to show you how you can move here without a job offer, and how you can work here without a work permit. So it's a lot of information right here. So if I were you, I would give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a like. It helps the video, just support me for saying, okay, Jackie, thank you for doing this research, doing this video. This like is my thank you to you. So please give this video a like. It supports the channel. And also subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Let's say you're meeting me for the first time. My name is Jackie, all right? You're welcome to the channel. So I really appreciate it if you can subscribe to the channel and possibly turn on the post notification bell, because I share a lot of information for people that want to relocate, to study, to work, and to live. I share different pathways for different countries. So if you're looking to migrate to another country, you need to stay glued to my channel. So do turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video, all right? And also drop a comment. Let me know if you're watching for the first time. I would like to welcome you especially to the channel. And then to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my channel. I do appreciate your support. I see your likes, I see your comments, and I don't take it for granted, all right? So if you want to talk to me one-on-one, I do have, a one-on-one consultation where you can talk to me about your own personal needs for relocation. So you can send me an email, right? And then we can schedule a one-on-one consultation, or you can even send me a DM on Instagram. So whichever one is easier for you, you can do that. And there's going to be a link in the pinned comments where you can just like book a session directly. So those are 3 ways you can do it. That link in the pinned comments and in the description box as well. You click on that to book a session, or you send me an email, or you send me a DM on Instagram. All right. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so this country, very amazing. It's an EU country. It's in the Schengen zone. The name of this country is Lithuania, right? So those that have been doing one-on-one consultation with me, you know this country so much because I talk about it a lot. I've actually helped people, that want to migrate to Europe to move through this country, right? So it's really amazing, right, when it comes to migration. So the government has come up with a program, a full website, to aid foreign workers to move down to the country. And like I said, there are many ways this can be done, with a job offer, without a job offer, without a work permit. It's really amazing. And then don't forget the relocation cost as well. So first of all, I want to show you foreign workers that have successfully moved down to Lithuania through this program I'm about to show you, right? So they have success stories. So let's just start with that so you know that this is working. So find out how experts who chose Lithuania as their career destination turn their move into a success story. All right. So this is the first one. She moved from Costa Rica down to Lithuania. And this is Giovanni, who moved down 6 years ago. And then Bernard, they all have, they've written their story. You can actually read what they've written. And this is another person. And these are people who are from different nationalities, right? So there is one particular one that is going to resonate with most of my viewers, and that is Amarachi Nzekwe. She moved from Nigeria, right? So let's read her story. So after starting her career in Ibadan, Nigeria, QA engineer Amarachi Nzekwe decided to spend a year working at an ICT company in Kwanas, a Nigerian professional that moved down to Lithuania and is doing amazing things down there. And this is another person, Alex Wong, so many of them. So you can actually go read their stories and see how moving to Lithuania has literally changed their lives, all right? Okay, so this is the website for the program I want to show you. So on this page, you're going to see a whole lot of information. You're going to see jobs, you're going to see how to move, visa details and things like that. Just like the last video I posted, which was for Germany, and the website I showed in that video was something similar to this, which had all the information you need to move to Germany, to get a job, to settle and everything. It has information about, visas, moving with your family, getting accommodation. So this website is similar to that one. If you want to see how to move to Germany, check out that video. It's the last video I posted, all right? Okay, so make Lithuania your home, step-by-step relocation guide. So this is everything you need before you move, the necessary documents, getting help with relocation, relocating with family. Yeah, you can move with your family. You can even move with your pet, right? Getting to Lithuania, finding accommodation. There is details for everything. And after you move, when you're in Lithuania, declaring your place of residence, getting social insurance and healthcare, commuting, getting connected, opening a bank account, financial relocation incentive, expat networks before you. So everything is broken down. So you can see all of this. These are drop downs where you can get to see more information. All right. So it's really a comprehensive website. Okay. So now let me show you smooth relocation, how you can get a relocation assistance from the government. All right. So let's just go see that. So this is smooth relocation, and you get this step by step. So there's everything broken down, documents, relocating with family and all of that. So I want to show you where the government is going to give you a relocation allowance, and this is it. Relocation incentive for highly skilled employees, right? So let's read that. Let's read that. Let's see how you can get to take advantage of this relocation incentive. So financial incentive for employees applies to both foreign nationals and Lithuanian expats. All eligible employees can apply for the relocation incentive no sooner than 6 months, but no later than 2 years after starting employment in Lithuania. And this incentive is 3,444 euros. And it is a financial incentive paid to specialists to help with relocation costs, right? So when you arrive in Lithuania, they're not going to give it to you before you move. It is when you arrive in Lithuania and you have worked in Lithuania for 6 months, then you can apply to receive this incentive of and 44 euros. So I think this is really amazing. Like they are trying their best to encourage, foreign nationals to move into the country, to work. Like they are really embracing foreigners into the country. So you move down with your family, you get a job and all of that. Okay. Okay. So what next? Let me show you the job portal on this website. There's a job portal where you can search for jobs. So right now they have 213 open postings. Wow. When I saw this about 2 days ago, it was 222 open positions. So, some jobs have been taken or, have left the site. So they do add positions, take out positions. You know how it is with a job portal. So I've been looking at this website for some days now and it keeps, going down. I think one day it went up, but, it just here and there. Okay, so these are the jobs, 213 jobs found. Okay, and then you can search for the kind of job you want. You can search by skill. You can type what skill you're looking for here, and then you can search by field of work. There's accounting and financial services, there's analytics, aviation engineering, consulting and research engineering, and all of that. So you can actually search for the field you're looking for. And then you can even come here and also search for the position type, right? And then you can search for salary, for company, for location. So these are different locations, different cities in the country, right? And then you can also search by the type, if it's full-time, part-time, freelance, or internship. I'm sure everyone is looking for a full-time position, right? And then you can also search by language. So you can come here and search for English jobs, right? And things like that. So that is how this is done. And you can also check for keywords. So there are a lot of jobs here, as you can see. So you can, get your job on this portal. And then there are other portals as well where you can get jobs. I'm going to do another video for recruitment agencies and things like that in Lithuania where you can get jobs. So this is not the only place that you can get a job to move down to Lithuania. But this is a very good one. You can come here, apply for jobs, get your job, and then you're on your way to Lithuania, as we saw with other people's success stories, right? Okay, so now let me talk about how you can move down to this country without a job offer. Okay, so Lithuania is in the Schengen zone. So with a Schengen visa, you can move down to Lithuania, and Lithuania has made it legal for you to get a job on your Schengen visa, right? So you can get a tourist visa and travel down to Lithuania. And then while you're in Lithuania, you get a job offer, you get a job, right? And literally apply for your EU blue card and stay back to work in the country. That is really amazing. So you can move with your family, just apply for a Schengen visa for you, your entire family, travel down, get a job, apply for your EU blue card, and settle in the country. The EU blue card, I think, is valid for 3 years, which can be renewed for another 3 years, right? And then one amazing thing is that when you live in Lithuania for 5 years, you can apply for your permanent residency, right? So it's a pathway to permanent residency in the country. Move with your family. I mean, it is really amazing. Okay, so that is how you can actually move down without a job offer. So if you don't want to go through all the applying for jobs and all of that, then just go with a Schengen visa and then switch to a work permit while you're in the country. That is completely legal in Lithuania. Not many countries do this. In fact, right now, I think it's only this country that does it like legally, like it's straightforward. The information is right there on the immigration website that you can literally, work in Lithuania, having come in with your Schengen visa. So now let's talk about how you can work in this country without a work permit. Now, if your profession is listed in the shortage occupation list, you can actually work in this country without a work permit. So you don't need a work permit. So let's see that information, okay? When are foreigners not required to obtain a work permit or a decision on compliance? So a work permit and a decision on compliance is basically what you need, to work in the country, right? So when do you not need it? That is what this information is about. So let's see this number 5 point. A foreigner whose profession is included in the list of professions for which there is a shortage of workers in the Republic of Lithuania. According to the type of economic activity, in this case, quotas are applied. Once the quota is exhausted, foreigners who intend to work in the Republic of Lithuania must obtain a work permit. You can monitor the established quotas here. So there's a link here to click to monitor to see if there is still room for you to work without a work permit. The list of the 2020 shortage of occupations can be found here. There's a link for that. And the list of the 2023 shortage occupations is published here. So let's click this link to see, the shortage occupations in Lithuania for 2023. So if your occupation is listed there, then you actually don't need a work permit to work there. So just move down on your Schengen visa, get your job, and start working. All right. So let's see that. Let's see the shortage occupations. All right. So here it is. Employment services at the Ministry of Social Protection and Labor of the Republic of Lithuania Director. All right. So we're just going to scroll down to get to the real information we are looking for. List of professions with a lack of employees in the Republic of Lithuania by type of economic activity for the year 2023. So this is a very long list, all right. So we can see here construction sector, bricklayers, finishing mason, carpenter, tiler, plasterer, and all of that, plumber, welder, electrician, mechanizer, and then industry sector, carpenter, welder, electric welder, gas welder, locksmith, software control, machine operator, metal grinder, metal polisher. There are so many occupations are listed here. Hairdresser, hairdresser, tailor. I'm going to drop a link to this in the description so you can just go over it and see all, the full list so you can know if your occupation is listed. There are how many? 175 occupations. There are 175 occupations on this list, right? So that is a lot. So you need to go through it yourself to see if your occupation is listed, and then you know that you're free from a work permit. Just get a Schengen visa. And one amazing thing, if you've been following my channel, I did a video about the countries where you're likely to get a Schengen visa. And Lithuania is the easiest country to get a Schengen visa. This 2023, right now, Lithuania is the easiest country to get a Schengen visa. Let me just tell you that secret, right? So when you want to apply for your Schengen visa, do so at the Lithuanian embassy, and you stand a greater chance of getting your application approved, right? So this video is really amazing. Do give this video a thumbs up. I know I've tried, right? So give this video a like, just to appreciate the work I've done here, and then take advantage of this opportunity, right? So all the links are going to be in the description box. So go there and see what you can do with this information that I've provided. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, if you want me to help you with anything whatsoever, do send me an email and we are going to work that out. But please don't let this opportunity slip by you. Okay? So remember, you can move with your family, you can move with your dependents, and the government is going to support your relocation with 3,444 euros. And then after staying here for 5 years, you get your permanent residency. And there's even a way to get it in lesser time than the 5 years, depending on your situation. So I think I'm going to be doing more videos, to just show you more about this country and other countries that are this amazing. Most people just focus on the top ones, the UK, Canada, and the rest. But there are many other amazing countries that you can take advantage of to move. And the move is really fast. So I do wish you all the best. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this information. And subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. My name is Jackie. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I will see you in the next one.